Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Well, there's a new report that just came out that there's a massive flood of new Uber drivers that have been joining the platform to drive for Uber. So please thumbs up the video. We're gonna get into the news. I wanna thank our sponsor. So the sponsor of today's video is actually Solo, and Solo is the business app for gig workers. As you can see, they have a awesome feature here with guaranteed pay. So when you go out and drive, they're basically essentially gonna guarantee that you make a certain amount, a certain dollar amount, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., 37 bucks. Now, when you sign up with our link, they're gonna give you $15 just for signing up. You can take home over $5,000 more a year. It's tax deductible, cancel any time, and the daily guaranteed pay is free until the end of the month. They also have a free version here, but they have some other stuff. Federal tax projections, automated mileage tracking. Sign up for free and you're gonna get 15 bucks just for signing up. Listen to this. I disabled my ad blocker here really quickly, but listen to this report. A flood of new drivers are joining Uber because everything is more expensive. There's a few articles that came out. Uber attracts a record number of drivers as cost of living bites. So basically what's going on is that inflation is through the roof. The average rent price in America is right now. It's gotta be so high right now. California, $2,850, $3,000, yeah, 3,000 bucks a month just for a 2-bedroom apartment in California. People can't afford to live anymore, so what they're doing is they're turning to these gig apps. And once again, my friends, Uber wins. Why? Because Uber doesn't have to raise rates to keep drivers on the platform because, you know, so many drivers who've been driving for a while end up quitting, and then what happens? A bunch of new drivers join, and then they drive until they realize, well, you know, it's expensive to drive. Which is why, by the way, you want to make sure you do sign up for our new course, Rideshare University, which has not yet launched, but I will tell you about it, and we will have a free trial as well, so you can try it out. But we're talking about all these things about, you know, how to make the most amount of money, taxes, everything you might need to know. And listen to this. A flood of new drivers are joining Uber because everything is more expensive. The most obvious effect of inflation seems to be getting more drivers on the platform. CEO Darko Sasari is, you know, he's happy. He's celebrating as inflation rates hit 40-year highs. A surge of new drivers are joining Uber's platform in the hopes of earning extra cash. I have to say, driving for Uber is fun. You meet a lot of people, make some money, and call it a day. Now, I'm not advocating, well, I wouldn't personally enjoy driving 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 hours a week, but you know, 10, 20 hours a week is not that bad. It's pretty fun. Make some money. To some extent, we could be seeing evidence where it's helping us in that it's a very significant consideration base for drivers coming onto the system. Coursera estimated that drivers can earn as much as 37 bucks for every hour they're on the platform, while drivers who drive for both Uber and Uber Eats earn $30. So, Uber announced new features last week that aimed at improving drivers' experiences. Drivers will now be able to see how much they'll earn and where they'll be going before they accept trips, and they can view more than one trip request at a time. So guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. Do you think this is good, bad? And again, sign up for Solo with our link below, and you'll get 15 bucks to sign up for this awesome app for gig workers. It's basically your financial friend, your financial buddy for gig working. And they make sure you guarantee you're gonna make some good money. So use the link below. I'll talk to you guys soon.